Western Mass News is digging deeper on how the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting the local court system. When the shutdowns first began in March, many cases got delayed, both in Hampden Superior and Springfield District Court.
And now court officials say they are working through the backlog of cases. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in studio with the exclusive details. Audrey?
The Superior Court clerk tells me significant headway has been made in resolving cases that piled up due to the pandemic. In district court, we're hearing from families who say the pandemic has slowed the process down.
I watched it happen, yet I'm still suffering here because I can't get a resolution.
It's been almost 3 years since Annette Barrows' mother, Michelle, was killed after being hit by a car in Springfield while on the job as a crossing guard.
Sheer torture. I don't leave the house too much anymore, especially even before the COVID happened.
The man accused of striking Michelle with his car still has not had his day in Springfield District Court. He's charged with a misdemeanor of motor vehicle homicide by negligent operation. And when Western Mass News checked in with District Court, they said the date has been moved from July to September 13th. Annette just wants to give her impact statement and see justice.
I just want it to be over. I need to be able to say, okay, went to court, it's finally over, I don't have to worry about seeing him ever again.
That's just district court, where misdemeanors and some felonies are tried. But even in Hampden Superior Court, where the more complicated cases go,
the last year and a half has been like a mariner navigating a storm.
Clerk of Superior Court Laura Gentile says her team has been tackling a buildup of cases due to COVID.
We initially had a backlog of about 175 cases.
She says she and her team have refitted courtrooms to be socially distant. They've been calling attorneys a month in advance to schedule cases to knock the backlog down via virtual proceedings.
They're either tried or possible plea or what other resolution they may have. And we've really made some serious headway. We're nearly caught up.
And she says the addition of a grand jury location at the Eastfield Mall has helped them keep pace with new cases coming in.
The work doesn't stop.
We asked if the pandemic has changed anything in Superior Court for the better.
There's certain things that worked very well with Zoom, especially in the civil sessions. And so we've said, we're going to keep this going.
In the meantime, for people waiting for cases to be heard in district court, they say the pandemic has elongated an already painful process.
As this court case keeps going on and on and on, I have to keep reliving it.
The Superior Court clerk tells me the number of dangerousness hearings that have been brought forward during the pandemic is high, which she says puts a strain on both the district and Superior Courts. For Western Mass News, I'm Audrey Russo, live in studio.